Hi to all my virtual friends. Again, you are most welcome to my not so big channel. As I'm editing today's episode, I have gained 5 more faithful subscribers and total number is now to 9. That is almost 10 full subs. Thank you all. Today I have planned to install carbs back to bike and make it roar again. I made quick cleaning for carbs in last episode, and reason for that was, to find out if engine is going to run better and to decide, if I have to do engine refresh as well. So let's go, and see if it made any difference. Before I press carburetors back into intakes, I warm intakes up to get rubber more flexible and to avoid any kind of surface damage to them. I heat them so, that intakes can be touched but are noticeably warm. I start installation by inserting throttle cables back. I leave choke cable out for now. Be sure to tight cable nuts down so the cable stays in place. Before you start pushing carburetors, and make sure your front wheel or bike is secured to stay in place. I almost pushed my bike off from central stand. Also make sure that all clamps are all the way loosed up or they will make the job harder. I had 2 clamps bit tight and it took me some time to find out why I couldn't get carburetors back on intakes. After carburetors are back in place, tighten the intake clamps. It's also good practice to check cylinder head side intake clamps at this time. After this, I install external fuel source, battery, and we are ready to start it up. Well, I kinda wanted to add engine cranking here too, but my cameraman shutted camera just before it. But hey, let's hear it making noise. It smoked first quite a lot, which was somehow expected, and obviously, 2.5 turns out, in mixture screws was too much, as it's idling super rich. Of course, valve adjustment can help it little, but this is good enough for now. Now that I can hear engine is not making any strange noises and it's idling better than my 1200 Bandit, I can start stripping electrics and all unnecessary parts from the bike. After that I start planning modifications. If you want to see how this build continues, feel free to subscribe and hop to next episode.